Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through on how to have more than one eFootball account on your device. So if you want to have more than one eFootball account on one device, as you can see on the screen, you can see this eFootball account, and you can also see this one there. I have two eFootball accounts on one device. This is very simple. So all you need to do in order for you to have this is to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you are going to be searching for Much Cloner. So you are going to be searching for Much Cloner. Yeah, you're going to be seeing something like this one. So you're going to be downloading it and open it. Okay. So you're going to be downloading this app on your device. So after doing that, you're going to be clicking on the plus button. This is the eFootball I've already device two eFootball accounts. So you're going to be seeing anything on your Much Cloner app. So that's you're going to be once you're on this app here, you're not going to be seeing anything. Instead, this plus button, okay? You're going to be clicking on the plus button and select the app on your device. Make sure you have the eFootball app first before downloading the Much Cloner, okay? Once you're done that, you're going to be selecting the app that you want to clone. Let me take, for instance, I want to clone Instagram. And you're going to be selecting yes. And you're going to rename the app. Okay, if you still want to leave it as Instagram here, you can still leave it, but the app will help you name it Instagram 1. Okay, you're going to start the production, so it's marking. Okay, let's just wait for it to make it up. So once it's done, make you're seeing something like this on your screen. So you're going to click on install clone, and you're going to be installing this cloned app. So it's going to get to your browser, whether your Chrome, or if you're using an iPhone, it's going to take it to your Certify and so on. So you're going to be downloading this app you cloned data. Okay, you're going to be downloading it. Yeah, it doesn't take much, just 8.77 MB for this app. Okay, so once you are done that, you are now going to go to your screen here, and you can now see the app you cloned. Okay, the app you cloned will appear here on your device. Okay. So guys, that's it. If you want to do this for your eFootball account, you can still go ahead and do it and then create a new account. Okay, I'm going to drop a video on how to link more than one eFootball account on your device. So do it to subscribe to this channel in order for you to know how to do that. See you guys in the next one. Bye.